Just play. Bang me!
Fuck them lah.
No, no lah.
No lah.
I need your help. I'm your friend. She made a lot of content out of me.
That's true. Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to Eğirdir with a couple of friends, and we're gonna be taking a taxi there, I suppose. And it's only gonna take about what, 30 minutes car ride? Yeah, when somebody's staring at me right now. So it's like recording right now? Yeah, it's recording. Okay. I need to be. Hey, we're going to Airbnb. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna show you around. Yes, we're going by taxi. JC is here. Ahmed is here. Yeah. My girl.
I'm working.
Oh my god.
On the car.
Sorry. Psych! Psych!
Oh, you don't know?
Parking lot.
Wow, nice. 1 hour 6 lira.
Huh?
I think
Probably.
take 2 hours. It's okay. Maybe we will make around in all the city.
It's great.
Huh?
I need you to throw a fundraising party. Gather some money for my nose job. So I
You
will
don't
make
need a
more.
freaking nose
I will
job.
I will strip down for you.
Maybe
Shit, 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 shit. Bye.
You're gone? Wait
Don't get back, guys. Wow, so pretty. Okay, workout done for the day. Let's go.
I'm done.
Back to the house. My landlord cut the vines down. I hold my keys too tightly in my pocket. I walk into the room. You're sleeping.
Neat people went to wash their hands.
Yeah.
We filthy coronas are here. Now,
So how do you like Isparta?
I find it so cool. So
Nice, nice.
I'm happy.
happy I see sun.
Yeah.
I see sun.
Yeah.
Tamam, şöyle verelim. First impressions.
Delicious. Mamma mia.
Yeah, nice. Is it okay? I did it again. It was like twice, and then you just here. Hi. I'm feeling nervous, like when someone makes me.
I don't have cheese.
I'm hungry.
Peru.
It's been a while.
Festival here. Eğirdir. Pronounce it.
Eğirdir.
Correct?
It
Eğirdir.
wasn't.
No?
Eğirdir. To you all. Who I don't know.
Chemical.
Woo. We're back.
We're tired. We rode a bike.
Yeah, we
We
were.
rode a bike and like it was too hard for me and Vivien because we
Yeah.
have short legs, you know.
Yeah, that's
We were in the back all the time. We were crying and laughing.
They
Then like,
ditched us. They ditched us.
don't leave us, something like that. So, but at least we ended up here. We're gonna play a game. I don't know why. Yeah.
Weird question, but
Okay.
does your power bank exit 2?
Okay, unrelated.
Back.
10? It means it goes back 1. That's one page. You put 10 again and it went back to her. Now it's your turn.
What are you making?
Vivien?
Köfte.
The last.
Onun en üstünde şey olması lazım.
I can make it like this.
Is meat there?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
In a couple of minutes, there will be.
Like I'm jumping. Oh, I posted it several times. Let's go to Rocky's dancing.
Dön.
I don't know how to dance, seriously.
Ama ya şu an
Like getting ready for exercise, warm up.
That's magic. Videonun kalitesini aldım.
There is nothing. Wait, let me do it.
She ruined it.
No, nothing happened. A new design. I'm sorry.
You distort it. It's like this.
Yeah.
So the people.
You need to put your tobacco first in your paper.
And then show it into your hands.
No, this is special. This is so special. This is so fit.
My father shouldn't watch this video. Good day, good night.
When I get my salad, I'm gonna buy a couple of.
No,
Yes.
no, no, no,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
No.
Why don't they have Beyblade?
Oh my god, I know the the spinning top thing, right?
Yeah. Supposed to. I think that's Chevrolet. Ferrari. That's supposed to, by the way. Wiper. Dodge Wiper. An old 911. I think probably the oldest one. I will fucking strangle you one more time. You did it once.
In Alania.
And I'm
And he didn't realize, by the way.
and I'm not gonna bite it again.
What the hell did you order? Was you supposed to order too?
No, I'm hungry.
Oh, I thought it was an accident. I got this pasta with barbecue chicken. And then what's this? Pide?
It's not easy to make mukbang or mukbang. Well, how do you pronounce it?
Mukbang.
It's not easy to make that with Turkish food
Why?
because our food is like too oily, too spicy. I mean, too spicy,
It's not spicy, by the way, guys.
and it makes your
nowhere
blood
near
pressure
spicy.
go low or high. Depends on the situation.
They demolished one tray. Still hungry? That's not the Singaporean slang, right? Okay, try your best Singaporean imitation.
Just talk to me, lah.
No,
No?
no lah.
No lah.
It's in the middle of the night. Yeah. I think it should be the end of the vlog. If I get, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
You are the spark